Bismillah. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. First video ay ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano po kumuha ng PSE, Philippine Statistic Certificate, either birth certificate or death certificate, conversion certificate, and many others. So without further ado, let's get started. So open nyo po ang inyong Google Chrome or any internet browser. So in my case, I'm going to open Google Chrome. Then, dito sa search bar, type nyo lang PSA order. PSA order online. Okay, so ibibigay sa inyo ang website nito. PSA Helpline at saka PSA Service. So ito po yung dalawang pwede nating pag-orderan ng PSE, either birth certificate or death certificate, conversion certificate, and many others. So in this tutorial, tuturo ko po sa inyo ang pagkuha gamit itong PSA Service. Okay, so now open po natin itong PSA Service. So now we are going to select birth certificate. Then terms and condition, check natin itong dalawa. I agree the term and condition and I agree to the data privacy notice. Then click next. Then please answer the following question accurately. Was there any correction or amendment? Example, change, correction of interest or court proceeding done to the birth certificate you're applying for. So I'm going to click no. Were you able to get previous copy of birth certificate from PSA? So sa pangalan ko na ito, sa anak ko ay wala pa. So next natin. Click no na lang. Now we're going to enter the details. So proceed na tayo for payment. So click proceed to payment. Okay, payment channels. So may mga option po tayo dito guys. So ID accredited offline payment channels in the Philippines. Either Bayad Center, Bayad Partner, Bayad Online. Meron ding Maya apps, bilang PSA. Meron din tayong ECP, outlets and collection partners like 7-Eleven, Munting Food Shop, LCC, Gisano, Grand Malls, other ECP partner outlets. May other accreditation banking and payments annual din tayo, Union Bank at other bank. At meron din tayong tinatawag dito na accredited offline payment channels for other countries, no? So, payment online via credit, debit, prepaid card, and e-wallet. So, e-wallet tayo. Click natin dito, Pay Now. Okay, so ito na yung credit and debit, prepaid card, or e-wallet payments. Nagpo-proceed na tayo sa payments. So, click Proceed. So, magbabayad po ako through GCash. So, ready po nyo yung mobile number for confirmation. So, kung card naman, so meron tayo dito itong Visa at saka Mastercard, ATM Express, GCB. Although, meron din naman ako nito, no? Meron din tayong digital wallet. Dito na lang ako sa digital wallet dahil talagang sure na sure naman ito ngayon sa atin. Pwede tayong gumamit through Shopee Pay, pwedeng QRPH, pwedeng GCash, pwedeng Grab. Okay, so GCash tayo. Okay, log in to pay with GCash. So, palitan natin yung number. So, ito yung number ko sa GCash. Click next. Ready. So, like I said, ready yung cellphone nyo dahil makaka-receive kayo ng tawag nitong GCash OTP code. So, type ng OTP code dito. OTP code 74920. Then click next. So type mo yung PIN doon sa GCash mo. Then click next. And automatic i-hook nyo to sa GCash mo. So ito na yon. Unisix Money Service Corporation. GCash. Ito yung balance ng GCash ko. GCash balance. Now, available balance. You are about to pay amount 330 na available voucher. Then, tap po natin tong P. PHP 330 pesos. Confirmation. Okay, so transaction result, the payment transaction is completed. So, bayad na. Okay, thank you for payment. So, meaning guys, tapos na to, no? Thank you for payment. We're currently processing your payment. Your request payment status will be updated within the day, and you will receive a confirmation email at the provided email address once it complete. So thank you for your patience, and please check back later for your payment status.